is Julia with a little tour of my Dodge Ram van. This is the worst part with the damp first. Look at that. Look at that. Here, wait. Yeah. There she is. I think she is like 16 feet. Anyway, double doors there. Sweet. All those windows are dark. And then when I pull down my curtains, you can't see anything. Nobody's living in that van. What's that van doing? Picking up laundry at the old laundromat here on James Island, South Carolina. Beautiful. Look at that custom work. Look, there's a rack on top. Put a lot of stuff up there, too. Love the van. I have an inside video as well for you. Been wanting to do this for months and months. Finally doing it. There's the van. Where's the doggy? I don't know where that doggy went. Hi, May. There's a doggy. Look at that doggy. She wants to get out of the van. Ha ha ha. Go pee, Pi May. Good girl. All right. Back to the van. Double doors. Go to the beach. Open them. You're just like being outdoors. I did a video earlier of the inside. But there it is again. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful van. Love the van. Did I mention I love